Cathy Brockman's health was at risk due to her 30-year-old breast implants.
They were actually leaking and ruptured. If they didn't come out, that they would eventually, what we call eviscerate. In other words, pop through the skin because the tissue was becoming very thin and very tight.
She met with a few surgeons in Naples who said they could remove but not reconstruct them due to her comorbidities.
As a woman, that was not acceptable. And now I'm in a situation where, like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? You know, something's gotta happen here.
She was told she would need a higher level of care. That's when she connected with plastic and reconstructive surgeon Dr. Spencer Michalke.
He was very knowledgeable. He was very, very nice in terms of his patient manner. We talked about all the possibilities, good, bad, and ugly.
He was able to do the removal and reconstruction all in one surgery.
I sing his praises because I think I had the best outcome possible. I'm very happy.
Helping to restore that to a woman can help with a lot of restoration of confidence, helping them look and feel better in clothing, help them look and feel better around friends.
She returned to work 2 weeks post-op, feeling better than ever. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.